Good morning, children. So let us continue the mathematics lesson, polynomials. Okay. So last class I had completed the value of a polynomial, right? So exercise 2.2 first main I had completed finding the value of a polynomial at x is equal to some value, x is equal to 0, x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 2. Okay, so the second question will be find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. So they have given the polynomials, 4 polynomials they have given. For that 4 polynomials you need to find out p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. That means x value you need to replace that. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 for all the problems for 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this I had given the homework. First one I had completed, second one, third one, fourth one I had given homework. Okay, so complete the homework and send it to me through WhatsApp. Take a photocopy and send it to me through WhatsApp, and then as well as maintain your homework notebook that you need to submit once the school is started. Okay, now so let us go for next main, that is verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Okay, so that is the third main. So what we need to do here, we need to verify that the given values of a x are zeros of a polynomial or not. Okay, we have learned that what is the zeros of a polynomial. So what do you mean by zero of a polynomial? Suppose x is equal to some value is a zero of a polynomial. When it is 0 of a polynomial, in the sense if you substitute x value in that polynomial, the value must be equal to 0. Okay, then only that x value is called as a 0 of a polynomial. Okay, say I'll do one example so that you will understand it. Okay, let me solve first one, that is p of x is equal to 3x plus 1. What is the 0 they have given? To verify that x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So this is the question they have given. Okay, here what we need to verify, that I need to verify that x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x or not. That I need to verify that. So how to verify that? I just substitute the x value in the given polynomial. Okay, if I substituted x is equal to minus 1 by 3 in this polynomial, if I get the answer 0, then this x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of this polynomial. So that is the meaning of the 0 of a polynomial, right? If I am not getting a 0, if I am getting a value other than 0, then this value is not a 0 of this polynomial. Very simple, right? So let me try. I'm going to substitute x is equal to minus 1 by 3 in this polynomial. Let me see I'm getting a 0 value, I'm getting a answer 0 or not. Okay, so replace x by minus 1 by 3 in p of x. Okay, so let me replace p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3. I need to 3 as it is. Okay, into, because 3x in the sense it is 3 into x. So x value, what is the x value I need to substitute? Minus 1 by 3. That means it is 3 into minus 1 by 3, not 3 minus 1 by 3. Understood that? Because it is 3x. So in the place of x I have substituted minus 1 by 3. Minus is a sign, it is not an operation here. Okay, so 3 into minus 1 by 3. Okay, understand that. Plus 1. Okay, now this is 3 into minus 1 by 3, so that I need to multiply these two. 3 into minus 1, it is minus 3 divided by 3 as it is, plus 1, correct? So 3 ones are 3 ones are, so it is how much? The value is minus 1. If you divide 1 by 1, the answer is minus 1, right? Because I am having a negative sign here, right? Minus 1 plus 1, so minus 1 plus 1, answer is 0, right? So p of minus 1 by 3, see that answer I am getting 0, value I will be getting 0. So therefore this corresponding x value is a 0 of this polynomial. So what is the conclusion here? So therefore x is equal to 0, x is equal to therefore x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of polynomial p of x is equal to 3x plus 1, correct? So this is the conclusion. What is the conclusion? Since I'm getting a value 0 here, the corresponding x value is a 0 of the polynomial, correct? If suppose if I got the value apart from 0 other values, okay, then x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is not a 0. I'm getting a answer 0, that is value of polynomial is 0, therefore the corresponding x value is a 0 of the polynomial. Clear? So let me do the second one. Okay, second one will be, okay, so p of x is equal to 5x minus pi. Okay, so what is the x value? X is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, so this is the x value. So I need to verify that this x is equal to 4 by 5 is a 0 of this polynomial or not. So what I need to do, the x value I need to substitute in this polynomial. Okay, if x is equal to 4 by 5 is a 0, then I should get the value 0 here. I should get the answer 0. If I am not getting 0, then it is not a 0, right? Now let me see. P of 4 by 5 is equal to, write 5 as it is. Okay, this is 4, x is equal to 4 by 5, substituted. This is 5 into x, therefore 5 into 4 by 5 minus pi as it is right there. So 5 into 4 by 5, the 5 into 4 is 20 by 5 minus pi. So 5 ones are 5 fours are. So what is the answer? 4 minus pi. 4 minus pi. So p of 4 by, here I am getting a 0 value. No, I am not getting a 0. Here I am getting a value 4 by 5, which is not equal to 0, right? So therefore 4 by 5 is not a 0. So x is equal to 4 by 5 is not a 0 of polynomial p of x is equal to 5x minus 5. Clear? Since x is equal to 4 by 5 is not a 0 of polynomial, p of x is equal to 5x minus 5. Since it is not equal to 0, therefore it is not a 0. Clear? So this is about verifying whether the given value is a 0 of the polynomial or not. Okay, so I'll do one more question. So remaining things you have to do that. I'll give the homework, so you need to do that. Okay, so third one I'll complete it. Third one is, okay, p of x is equal to x square minus 1. So I need to check x is equal to 1 comma minus 1. Here the polynomial is x square minus 1. Zeros they have given, 2 zeros they have given, that is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. I need to verify 2 zeros for only one question, right? First I need to substitute x is equal to 1 in this polynomial. If I am getting a value 0, then x is equal to 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. Clear? Next I need to do that x is equal to minus 1. That means I need to substitute x is equal to minus 1. Okay, again if I am getting a 0, then minus 1 is also a 0. Okay, if I am not getting a 0 for both the values, then it is not a 0. Okay, so let me try first one. Replace x is equal to 1, replace x by 1 in p of x. Okay, so replace x by 1. So what will happen? In the place of x I need to substitute 1. So 1, I have a square as it is, you should write minus 1. What is 1 square? 1 into 1 is 1 only, minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. P of 1 is equal to 0, therefore 1 is a 0, right? Therefore x is equal to 1 is a 0 of polynomial p of x. Clear? Now check other 0. Replace x by minus 1 in p of x. Okay, now p of minus 1 is equal to, in the place of x I need to substitute minus 1, therefore minus 1. I have a square as it is, you should write minus 1. What is minus 1 whole square? That is minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus, plus 1 into 1, 1. So minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Okay, minus 1 as it is, minus 1 I am writing. So 1 minus 1 again 0. So p of minus 1 is also 0. Therefore minus 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. Clear? Therefore x is equal to minus 1 is a 0 of polynomial p of x. Clear? So this is about verifying whether the followings are zeros or not. They will give the x value. You need to verify that whether the given value is a 0 of the polynomial or not. The given x value is a 0 of the polynomial or not. So how to find out that? Just substitute that x value. You should get answer 0. If you are getting answer 0, then the x value is a 0 of the polynomial, or otherwise it is not a 0. Clear? So that is about third main. I had solved 1, 2, 3 sums. Still we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so almost 3, 4, 5 sums we have remaining. Okay, I'll write remaining sums. You have to complete that. Okay, I'll write here only homework. Make a note of this. This homework you have to complete it. Okay, in a homework book you have to submit it. Okay, once the school is started you have to submit it. Okay, so homework, the first one will be okay, so second one I had solved, third one I had solved, fourth one will be, fourth one, p of x is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2. The value you should check it out. X is equal to minus 1, 2. These two values you should check it out whether zeros or not. So this is fourth question. Fifth question, p of x is equal to x square at x is equal to 0. Only one value you should check it out whether 0 or not. Now sixth question, p of x is equal to L into x plus m. 0 is x is equal to minus m by L. So you should check it out whether this x is equal to minus m by L is a 0 or not. Okay, so this is sixth question. Seventh question, p of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 comma 2 by root 3. You need to check it out these two are zeros or not. Okay, then seventh one is done. Eighth question is p of x is equal to 2x plus 1 at x is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the eighth question. You need to do that. So this is the homework for you. This you need to solve that in the homework book and you need to submit to me once the school is started. Then you have to take a photocopy. Once you have solved that, take a photocopy and send it to me through WhatsApp. Okay, each and everyone should send this. Okay, next we will go for the next concept. Let us go for exercise 2.2 fourth main. Okay, here find the zeros of the polynomial. Find the zeros of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Okay, here earlier they have given the zeros. We need to find out whether we need to verify that whether those two x values are zeros or not. Okay, so that is about third main. Here it is fourth main will be they have given the polynomials. Okay, for those polynomials you should find out the zero. Okay, you should find out the zero. Both are different. Okay, there they have given the zeros, you need to verify it. That's it. Here they have given the polynomials, you need to find out the zero. You need to find out. So let me see. Let's see how to do that. First one, p of x is equal to x plus 5. Okay, p of x is equal to x plus 5. Okay, so finding the zeros, it's very easy. That means finding the x value. Okay, so for finding the zero, what is the first step you need to do is let p of x is equal to 0. That's it. That is the first step you should do. What we need to do, p of x, you need to take it as 0. In the p of x place, you need to replace 0. If you do that, the first step, then answer is almost over, right? What we need to take, p of x is equal to 0. Take p of x is equal to 0. In the place of p of x, I need to replace 0. 0 is equal to x plus 5. RHS, I am having x plus 5. Correct? So now this is a linear equation. You know that how to solve this linear equation. You have already studied in class 8, right? Linear equation in one variable. So this is a linear equation one variable. You know that how to solve this. I'm having a variable, I'm having a constant. Keep the variable here, send constant to the other side. What will happen? This is plus 5. If you send 5 to the LHS, it will become minus 5. Correct? Here I'm having a x. So minus 5 is equal to x, or x is equal to minus 5. So this is the 0. Very easy. So x is equal to minus 5 is the, so x is equal to minus 5 is a 0 of polynomial. X is equal to minus 5 is a 0 of polynomial. Understood how to find out the 0? What is the first step we need to do? We need to take that p of x is equal to 0. In the place of p of x, I need to replace 0. P of x, I had replaced 0, equal to x plus 5 as it is I have written. Okay, so I need to find out the x value because x is the variable. Send the constant to the other side, x plus 5. So that means 5 is added here. If you send 5 to the LHS, it will become negative sign will going to change. X is equal to, so minus 5 is equal to x as it is. Minus 5 is equal to x, or x is equal to 5. LHS is equal to RHS in the sense I can write RHS first, then I can write LHS. Both are same. So x is equal to minus 5 is a 0 of the polynomial. It's very easy. Okay, so I will solve second one, you can solve it. I will solve third one. Okay, third one is p of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Here also we should find out the 0 of this polynomial. So what is the first step we need to do? We need to take p of x is equal to 0. Let p of x is equal to 0. Okay, so p of x is equal to, if you make p of x is equal to 0, what will be remaining on the RHS? 2x plus 5. Okay, so it is a linear equation one variable. Okay, send 5 to the LHS, what will happen? It will become minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to 2x. Okay, or 2x is equal to minus 5. Correct? Minus 5 is equal to 2x, or 2x is equal to minus 5. So if you want to find out x, 2 is multiplied here. If you send 2 to the LHS, RHS, what will happen? It will get divided, right? If it is multiplied here, after sending to the other side of the equal sign, operation will going to be reversed. So that is, here it is multiplied, there it is divided. So x is equal to minus 5, 2 will get divided here. So x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Very easy. Clear? So x is equal to minus 5 by 2 is a 0 of polynomial. Correct? Now, so first one, third one I had completed. Remaining I will give it as a homework. You have to complete it. Okay? So I will give you second one homework again. Exercise 2 exercise 2.2. It is fourth question. Second one you have to complete it. First one I had completed, second one I didn't done that. Third one I had done that. Second one is P of x is equal to, here you should find out the 0 of the polynomial x minus 5. That is second one. Third one I had done that. Fourth one is P of x is equal to 3x minus 2. Okay, fourth one. Fifth one is P of x is equal to 3x. Okay, so sixth one, P of x is equal to ax. So seventh one, P of x is equal to cx plus d. Okay, cx plus d. So this is the homework. Okay, P of x is equal to x minus 5, P of x is equal to 3x minus 2, P of x is equal to 3x, P of x is equal to ax, P of x is equal to cx plus d. So don't think that I had given 5 questions. It is very simple. It will going to complete within 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It will going to complete. That's it. It is not a 1 page, 2 page sums. It is a small sums. Just finding out the zeros. So it will each question will going to complete in 3 or 4 steps. That's it. Max to max it will take 4 steps. That's it. Okay. So so last one also I had given the homework, that is also will going to complete within 4 to 5 minutes. You can complete it. Okay, so this is also you can complete it. Hardly it will take max to max it will take 20 minutes. Both the earlier homework and this one will take 20 minutes. Okay, you can complete it, and day to day you have to write your homeworks in your homework book. Okay, you have to take a photocopy and send it to me. I will make a note of that, who are all going to send and who are all not going to send. Okay, so thank you. Any doubts regarding this, get back to me. You can make a call for me, or you can, whatever your doubts you can mark it and you can send it to me through WhatsApp. Okay, so we will meet it in the next video. Thank you.